This is our one-way anchor vise. It can be passed steel wire, rope, and cable. Used with wide trailers, arbors, horse, and small animal fencing. Hung out in outdoors, fabrics, and curtain, and many other wire hanging. Suitable for home, garden application, farm, ranches, and zoos. Offer easier solution in linking steel wire. It is easy to install and to tighten to prevent sagging. Insert dia 2 to 3.5 cm wide into the overall end, and then move forward the other end. Smooth inner, no jamming. Strong bite, no slipping out. Fit for bar wire or galvanized wire, but not for better wire with other coating. Solid aluminum material, anti-UV, will not rust. Fast installing, reduce time even up to 80%. Inner includes stainless steel, spring, and engaging teeth. No rust when rain enters. It could not need a screw for installation. The trailer pulling force will keep the anchor vise inside the other end, the post. Streamed design, beautiful shape. Surface is with instructions. No slip out. Perfectly into the electricity fence. Lightweight and easy to carry. First, pour the steel wire into this, and then move forward.